got a shirt that said "Be happy and eat a burger." It's really unique. I like the environment of the like a lot of this Thai culture stuff. Because a lot of stuff is just like street, like right here on the side of the street, and you can see like you, you can see the whole like the cooking, just everything just right in front of you, and it doesn't take that much space to like for restaurants or anything like that. Like I forgot, did I post the other video about the street bar?
Yeah, it's okay.